Today, I just want to talk about perimenopause and the importance of starting hormones and good lifestyle habits before you actually stop having menstrual cycles. Why? Because after the fact, after your estrogen has been depleted and you're low on the other hormones, progesterone and testosterone, but especially estrogen for women, you're more at risk for developing heart disease. Your heart arteries stiffen. It's not good for your bone health. You're more at risk for osteoporosis. In addition to having hell with your symptoms, right? The hot flashes, the night sweats, the poor sleep, the decreased libido, the weight gain, the hair loss, the poor skin and aging skin, and all of those things. And we can get so much better even after menopause by replacing the hormones, but what damage has already been done in terms of stiffening the heart arteries, and it can be very difficult to lose weight after the fact. So you really need to get ahead of it and have a hormone therapy specialist walk you through that period of perimenopause, the years leading up to menopause. There's a lot of changes. Every 3 to 6 months, you can have a hormone shift during that time, and it can be difficult to chase, but the better you can do with your nutrition, your exercise, your lifestyle, and having that good balanced hormone therapy makes all the difference. It's so hard to get a woman to lose weight after they've been without all those hormones and already gained the weight. Their metabolism has slowed down, their thyroid is worse, maybe their adrenals are worse, all of those things after the menopause period of time. So get ahead of it. If you need help with your hormones, with those lifestyle factors, give us a call at Restore You Wellness or shoot us an email. We would love to help you, but no matter what you do, if you're watching this and you're going through changes, your periods are getting irregular, more frequent, maybe further apart, they're getting heavier, they're just changing. Your body's trying to tell you that you're changing also, right? And the average woman gains 15 to 25 pounds by the time the periods have completely stopped, or within 6 months or so of the cycle stopping. So don't go through that. It's unnecessary. Get ahead of it. Give us a call if you need help.